Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to hide apps on your Android phone. So let's suppose if you want to hide these three applications. The first method you can try is click on this settings option. So open settings on your phone, then scroll down, then click on this option home screen, click on it. Now scroll down and you have to search for this option hide apps. Okay. The another method to open this option is go to home screen, press and hold on the home screen of your phone, then click on this option settings, click on it, then it will open this option home screen settings. Now you have to scroll down and then click on this option hide apps, click on it. So these are the applications I have in my phone. Now to hide any application, select that application. Okay, so I will select these three applications. Okay, now after selecting the application, click on done. So this will hide the application. I will show you. So those applications are not showing. Now if you want to unhide the apps, again do the same thing, press and hold on the home screen, then click on settings, then scroll down, then click on this option hide apps. Now you have to remove the selected applications, okay, like this, then click on done. So this will unhide the applications. I will show you. Now you can see the applications are now showing. Now this is all for the video.